Today, let's add a custom recipe to Minecraft. Hello, today we will be adding custom recipes to Minecraft. So in our resources folder, let's create a new folder called data. In that, create a new folder called tutorial mod. In that, create a new folder called recipes. Now I'm going to paste the recipe file. This recipe is making 9 tin ingots into a tin block. You can find it in my GitHub repository, which will be in the description below. Tin block from tin ingot.json. It has to be a .json file. There. This is the pattern. So it's 9. You can also make like X and then X. Tutorial mod amulet. So this will make it so you create an amulet in the middle surrounded by tin ingots to make a tin block. Then there is the count. So yeah, let's see if it works. So now that we're in our creative inventory, let's get an amulet and 8 tin ingots. Now let's place down a crafting table and see if this recipe works. It works. Perfect. We have added a custom recipe to Minecraft.